In this video, I'm going to be going over what I believe are the 5 best AI businesses to start this year. And the best part about all of these different businesses is you don't need any experience to start. You can do these from anywhere in the world, and they really require no money to get started. I've either built these tools for myself or worked with AI agencies who have successfully been able to scale their business to $10, $20, $50,000 per month using the models that I'm about to share with you. All right, so the first business that I think is a massive opportunity is AI automation. This business essentially helps people automate redundant tasks. There's a lot of business owners out there who are doing a lot of things manually. They're doing a lot of things old school. They're still using paper and pen. They're still having people basically employed to do data entry and just redundant tasks that can easily be automated. Why I think this is a perfect opportunity right now is because a lot of people know that they waste a lot of time inside of their business. They are aware that there's redundancies, and they are aware of AI, and they are aware of automations. And if you can go ahead and solve the problems that they're already aware of by automating tasks and redundancies inside of their business, what you'll be able to do is you'll be able to save them time, which ultimately will save them money, which will make the company more profitable and really make it a no-brainer to start offering a service like AI automation. Let's just say you wanted to build an AI automation agency targeting dental offices. You could automate the whole client experience. When a new patient form comes in, you could auto schedule the appointment as well as send follow-up instructions completely automated. Post-appointment, you could trigger a review request, insurance follow-up, and make it a hands-off automated 5-star experience without their front desk or whoever needing to do all of that sort of stuff manually. And for this client, it could save them 8 hours a week and increase revenue because they're going to be able to increase capacity of their team and no longer need to hire people to do it. Let's just say you want to work with a real estate agent. New lead comes in, instantly respond with property recommendations based off of that criteria. Let's just say a showing is scheduled for that real estate agent. Auto send them directions and create a property info packet that will automatically be sent to them. It will save them over 2 hours. And it's also going to provide an excellent experience. Let's just say marketing agency, automate their whole onboarding, automate their contract signature process to improve their client experience. Let's just say you're doing something for an online consulting company. Do something to analyze the leads and then route to the appropriate consultant, route to the appropriate person that will be taking care of that. Auto book discovery calls. There are so many different angles with AI automation that you could take this from saving time to actually making money with some of the lead gen stuff, that it is a complete no-brainer. From a tool perspective, all you really need is a workflow automation tool, something like a make.com, which costs you anywhere from $9 to $29 per month. And it only takes about a week or so to actually learn something like this, because what this does is this has multiple tools that communicate with each other, and Make essentially connects multiple tools to each other. So for example, if a form is submitted, then it will automatically send an email. If this happens, then you can run it through ChatGPT or OpenAPI, and it will analyze it and it will spit out this data, and it will even send that data to a potential client or whatever the flow could be. You could also use a tool like Typeform, which has like cool conditional logic on there that you can basically use as a trigger point if you are doing something with like lead gen or something that is triggered based off of the form. First step is going to be mastering make.com or Zapier or some sort of workflow automation tool so that you can understand what the workflow possibilities are. Then what I would do is I would basically identify who I want to work with and start creating some real automations that you can then templatize. And then what I would do on the third week is demo these and start selling. I would maybe create like a package per business type, depending on the niche that you're going off of, whether it's, hey, we have a lead flow automation or we have a onboarding automation. Make that the cornerstone of what it is that you're actually selling. From a client acquisition strategy, try to target like local service companies. I mean, I gave you a couple examples right there. And what I would do is I would build some demos of some possibilities and then demo the workflow for that. And then what you could do is you could say something like, hey, we'll auto qualify leads in 5 minutes. Then I would do cold outreach. This is a massive value prop for so many businesses. If you can quantify how much time that you're saving them as a business owner, I look at time as hours. So if I'm spending X amount of hours on X processes and I can do that automatically, how much money is that going to save me? So what I would do is with the specific automations that you created, I'll use a tool like instantly.ai to build a list of target customers based off of the automation that you have, and then send them a Loom video showing them a specific automation on how it can save them X amount of hours per week, and then equate that to dollars saved and equate that to profit for specific businesses. Second business is going to be an AI lead generation agency. So basically, this is doing lead generation for other businesses. And you are leveraging AI to find research, reach out to prospects, even reply to prospects. You're creating an AI engine for businesses. And what you're able to do today's day and age, and why this is such a big deal, is you no longer need to manually prospect, manually respond to people, write copy to reach out to people. There are tools out there that allow you to basically handle all of this with AI. And the thing is, with a tactic like this, with lead generation, you can personalize at scale. Even though it's cold outreach, if you're doing the lead generation tactic, to the consumer, it feels like it's personalized directly to them. Let's just say you wanted to target B2B SaaS companies. You could target sales directors with 50 to 200 companies that work in a specific industry of SaaS. You could offer them your service and then make that your point of contact. You could target marketing agencies. Marketing agencies always need more leads and they struggle with client acquisition. If you came up with a high touch approach using AI lead generation, you would solve a lot of people's problems. Let's just say you want to work with consultants. You want to work with consultants who work with high-level companies. Work with these consultants to help them target companies who have recently been funded. Let's just say you want to work with law firms who specialize with small businesses and help get them in front of more small businesses using AI, and use personalization based off of location, based off of the business that you're actually reaching out to. So from a tools perspective, first things first is instantly.ai. If you guys don't know what that is, basically what you can do is if you get a client, what you'd be able to do is you'd be able to create their emails, you'd be able to build lists, you'd be able to create AI prompts based off of lists that you've built, based off of the leads that you've been able to generate. You'd be able to create all of the campaigns directly inside of instantly.ai. You'd be able to send the initial email, the follow-up emails, and you'd be able to actually even set up a reply agent that will reply to the emails directly inside of Instantly. And the cool thing is you have a unibox for each client. So every client, all of their emails go directly to one central email. And what you'll be able to do is just manage all the positive replies, and you can even manage the inbox for them. You could use Clay, which allows you to do even more deeper research based off of trigger events. And then you could use something like LinkedIn Sales Navigator to also include in your offer, perhaps if you wanted to do more outreach and go a layer deeper, or do some more manual prospecting on that client's behalf. How do we actually launch this? So week one, I would basically understand Instantly. I would understand how to personalize that scale, how to use these AI tools to get opportunities. How do I come up with really good copy for these businesses? And actually in instantly.ai, they have a Instantly Accelerator course that would walk you through exactly how to do that. And then once you understand the fundamentals, then what I would do is I would basically become a client for myself and run a test campaign and test what you just learned. Then what I would do is I would package those results into case studies and then begin selling. And basically how I would sell, I would pick one of my niches. I would use the principles that you've learned on how to make this work and start writing copy specific to them and using all of the AI principles and all the AI tools inside of a tool like instantly.ai to generate consistent leads for your business. The next one is going to be an AI content creation agency. A lot of people know that they need content, but the problem is a lot of people don't know how to do this. What we can do, basically this business, is create a content production machine using AI tools in order to help them become more known in their space. Some real world examples on what you could do is basically who you'd want to target is content heavy businesses, people like online coaches. So you could package 4 posts a week, AI writes expertise blogs based off of them. You could repurpose all of their content into carousels, Twitter threads, YouTube scripts easily using OpenAPI and ChatGPT. Fitness coaches for their Instagram, come up with a daily post that they could come up with every single day, help them write scripts for their content and create variations on multiple different platforms. And you can also run ads for them at scale to attract clients. SaaS companies, weekly blog posts, like that's super easy. Thought leadership from the CEO. CEOs are also becoming more aware that they need to post content. Email sequences, marketing agencies. Why don't you productize what you're doing and then white label this to a agency and then they feed you clients? You could be basically their service provider and allow you to service all of their clients under your productized process so that agencies don't need to hire people. From a tool perspective, I mean, ChatGPT, Claude, phenomenal content writers if you feed it right. Okay. If you can understand how to create custom ChatGPTs for people, create custom GPTs for specific clients, how you can actually prompt engineer something to give you something really, really solid. Canva also incorporates with ChatGPT. We are creating a lot of content created from ChatGPT and uploading it into Canva because ChatGPT will actually create images. Descript for like video editing or Premiere Pro, 11 Labs for like AI voiceovers if you wanted to do a faceless content for people, Notion for all your project management to keep everything organized, Midjourney for images, Meta Ads for leads, VO for video. If you can learn these skills and learn these tools, you will be a weapon in content creation. But what you need to do is you just need to package it appropriately for the right person. So with that, what I would suggest doing is I would identify who it is that I want to reach out to, and then I would start to create some sample content and portfolio based off of that. I would turn that into like a website or a Notion package essentially, and then I would send outreach messages based off of what it is that you do. I would pick my target audience. I would find a list on something like Instantly, and I would start sending cold email to people and tell them I'm going to be able to help you get to this outcome based off of that specific niche and the problem that you're solving, and scale that up. And I would even like offer a sample piece of content to see how they can use this content to get to the desired outcome that they want. All right, fourth AI business model that I love is AI agent development. Basically what this is creating AI employees for businesses. And these are AI systems for specific businesses. And I think this is probably one of the more untapped things that I've seen from AI businesses. You could build AI agents inside of businesses that could almost replace a lot of the redundant things that you are doing. And a lot of people just aren't very aware of it. So I think if you could master this right now, you'd be able to be a weapon for a lot of different businesses because you would have the skill set to create a team of AI agents instead of people employing other people. They just have AI agents. I mean, I can see a world where people are becoming millionaires, multimillionaires with no team members, just AI agents. Let me give you some real examples just so you can kind of tie this together and see what I mean. Customer facing agents, e-commerce support agent. It could handle order status, returns, product questions 24/7. It will integrate with Shopify and shipping APIs for real-time updates, and it would escalate complex issues to humans with full context. And I'm not talking about honestly crappy AI agents that like are chatbots that are more frustrating than they are helpful. I'm talking about you are training this AI agent based off of data, based off of APIs, and based off of tone of voice and all that stuff to sound like a human, to feel like a human, to interact like a human. That is the future. SaaS onboarding agent guides new users through setup process. Dental office scheduling agent. Basically, you could plug these into people's websites and it could handle appointment booking, rescheduling, reminders. It could check insurance coverage. It could provide cost estimates. It could pre-send appointments and forms. Real estate agent. Generate property descriptions from photos and an address. Generate social media posts for new listings immediately. What these would do is they'd literally embed on a website, or there'd be a link and they can just go to this agent. They can have it be customer facing or have it be internal, and they just start writing and it'll be good to go. Marketing agency ad copy, analyze past campaigns for performance and create new ad variations, generate headlines, descriptions, call to actions. From a tool and cost perspective, I mean, ChatGPT API is pretty solid. Where I like to build my agents, super easy to do. You can embed them on websites. You can embed them as like a chat. I think Chip is a no-brainer, and this company is going to blow up. So I'm a big fan of Chip for just easy AI content creation because you can be overwhelming on what tools to actually use. Make.com for workflow automation, Instantly.ai for like some outreach integration, Bubble for different interfaces for clients if you're building like a portal or something like that, and so much more. So how could we actually do this? One, I would learn Chip AI and build simple agents. So if you go to chip.ai, they have courses, they have a Discord channel, they have a lot of information on how you can basically get set up with this. But I would learn how you can build it specifically for specific businesses and go a layer deeper than the basic and understand how you can prompt engineer it in order to provide the best outcome. Then what I would do is I would start grading complex agents with specific integrations that you find based off of the offer and based off of the clientele that you want to be serving. And then start selling it. Start selling custom ones. Start selling some of the developed ones. Get this in front of a lot of people. I mean, from a pricing perspective, just to kind of throw this out there, it could easily be $2,000 to $5,000 plus per build. You could charge monthly maintenance on this. You could charge for training and optimization and integration setup and so much more. So I think this is a gold mine, to be honest. Problem with this potentially is that people aren't aware of it yet. So you might need to get really strategic with your outreach. I would first basically build an agent for yourself or for your friend. And then I would use the AI agent as a lead gen tool. I would focus on sending this AI agent to as many people as possible. So let's just say I'm targeting dental offices. I would basically reach out to people using Instantly.ai at scale because I can send it to so many people. And then I would say, hey, demo my dental appointment setting agent that I built and try it out for yourself. And then have people demo it. And then they'll be like, holy cannoli, this is freaking awesome. And then that would basically be the value, and then you could then set an appointment directly from there. Next one is going to be AI micro SaaS, something I'm also super keen on and super excited about. This allows you to build software products, like small software products using AI. What you can do is you can sell as monthly subscriptions, which equals recurring revenue. I'm seeing these pop up left and right. I'm seeing people make multiple seven figures every single year through just micro SaaS tools, which is pretty phenomenal. And why this is so awesome is because there's so many problems out there that can be solved with software. And a lot of people traditionally had to code and had to spend all this time developing this and spend all this money. But today's day and age, you can now solve problems quickly and get something up that looks professional, feels professional, and acts professional using AI. Let's just say you wanted AI resume builder. So you could target software developers and you could basically create resumes from GitHub and LinkedIn data. Cold email for real estate agents. Basically generate personalized emails for leads based off of property interest. So basically what they could do is they could pipe in their client's ideal property and then they could generate personalized emails for that. Create job descriptions from role requirements and company descriptions. So a simple way to create really good job descriptions for HR teams. Sell that for $29 a month for 10 descriptions and $79 a month for unlimited. 180 people using this, that's $8,600 in monthly recurring revenue. Social caption for restaurants. Local restaurants and food businesses create Instagram captions for food photos. Basically, they could upload a photo and then it could create captions. So from like a tool perspective, Bubble is phenomenal for building the apps. There is a little bit of a learning curve, but once you get it down, you'll be solid. Software for simple app building. Framer for website landing pages. Make.com for backend workflows. ChatGPT API for the AI functionality, depending on what it is that you're actually selling. And then Stripe for payment processing. So how would I sell this? Well, first things first is I would learn. Although it is simple and there's a lot of tools out there that make it really simple, there's still be a learning curve like anything. So I would spend my first 2 weeks learning what are the solutions out there and become solution aware of what you could build from a micro SaaS perspective. And then I would basically build one MVP and then I would launch, I would gather feedback and I would iterate it. Then I would then scale the outreach. Again, validate and launch strategies, solve very specific problems for defined audiences. What I would probably do is I would give it away for free for 50 users for feedback and testimonial so that you can have some leverage proof. And once you have social proof, then you can flip that to like a paid model or you can market it through cold email. And then from like a pricing perspective, it can be a free tier, a freemium model, all that sort of stuff. The beauty of this is you just kind of build it and then it'll get used and you just really need to sit back and monthly recurring revenue will be generated. So a lot of cool business opportunities with AI. These are just 5 that I'm a huge fan of. There's no reason that you can't go out, learn this, start selling this and build a business based off of AI. Now we went over the AI lead gen agency model here, but you might not really know what it looks like to run a business like that. I want you to check out the video where I start and build and sell an AI lead generation service to real companies as a challenge in less than 10 hours. And that's what I mean when I say anyone can do this. All you need to do is start and follow a process. So if you want to see what it looks like in real life and see how you can easily get started, I would check out that video. I'll see you over there.